To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. We have learned so many letters. Kiss your brain. Thank you, brain, for working so hard. You are almost more than halfway done. Woo! Round of applause for you. Now, before we do anything else, I want you to sing my song with me. So get up, let's get ready, and let's dance. Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a. T, table, t. S, snake, s. P, pig, p. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. C, cat, k. F, fence, D, dog, d. H, hat, h. O, octopus, ah. R, rat, B, bat, b. L, lamp, ol. All right, that was great practice on our letter song. You showed me your best moves. You got all those letter sounds correct. Now, I'm going to show you a letter. I want you to tell me its name and its sound. So for example, I would say M. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. H. O, ah. B, b. R, L, O. Wow, you've remembered all the letters that we have learned. We are going to practice writing our letters and see if you can remember. You can? Okay, let's get started. We are going to practice uppercase H and lowercase h. Uppercase H is going to start at the top. We're going to start it at the skyline. Start at the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Pick up my pencil. Now I'm going to go over from that line and I'm going to start at my skyline again. Down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, and go across on the mountain line. Lowercase h. Now lowercase h is also going to start at the top. Don't get H and N confused. They can be confusing, but H starts at the top, so he's a tall bear, and N starts at the mountain line, so he's a short bear. So don't get them confused. Let's do lowercase h. Start at the skyline, down to the grass line, up and around to the mountain line, and back down to the grass line. We are going to write uppercase O and lowercase o. Let's write uppercase O. Uppercase O is going to start at the top. We're going to start at the skyline. You're going to go around and down to the grass line, back up to the skyline and connect. Let's do lowercase o. Lowercase o looks the exact same, but he's a short bear. So he's going to start at the mountain line. All right, get your magical wand ready. You're on the mountain line. Let's do it. Around, down to the grass line, up and back to the mountain line. We're going to practice uppercase R and lowercase r. Now, uppercase R is going to start at the, you guessed it, the top. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, start at the skyline, around to the mountain line, and back down to the grass line. Let's practice lowercase r. Now lowercase r, he's a short bear, so he's gonna start on the mountain line. All right, starting at the mountain line, go down to the grass line, back up to the mountain line, and around. All right, we are going to do uppercase B and lowercase b. And do you remember that I gave you a trick so you could remember B's and D's? Uppercase B also starts like a bat. We're gonna start at the top. Start at the top, go down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, go back to the skyline, around to the mountain line, and around and down to the grass line. All right, now lowercase b. Remember, lowercase b starts like a bat. All right, start at the top. We're gonna start at the skyline. Draw your bat down to the grass line, back up to the mountain line, and around and down to the grass line. We are going to start with uppercase L, you guessed it. Now, uppercase L is very easy. We're going to start at the top. So we're gonna start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, and across on the grass line. Lowercase l. This one's even easier. You ready? Okay, we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna start at the skyline, go down to the grass line. That's it! Let's read some words together. You're getting pretty good at this, so I wanna see if you can do these on your own. As I draw a dot under each of these letters, can you say their sounds and read the word? Let's try it together. Ah, on. Try this one. Tap the sounds and read the word. Did you say b or d? Remember, bat, b, b. B, bat, b. Ready? Let's try it again. Ah, b. Ob. That's a silly word. Let's try this one. Tap the sounds and read the word. Let's try it together. Ah, ol. All. You guys are so good at reading words. You are segmenting your sounds and blending them back together. By the time you're done with this course, you are going to know all your letters and you're going to be able to read some words. You guys are going to be some really good detectives. I think that you are ready to show your parents everything that you know. So I want you to get your Mastery Glasses page and we are going to see what you know. If you can say the letters' names, say their sounds, and write the upper and lowercase letters, you get to color in another Mastery Glass and you are that much closer to becoming a level 1 detective. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Were you able to recognize and write the letter names and sounds of H, O, R, B, and L? Great job! You can color in a Mastery Glass. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.